Good morning दोस्तों. Welcome to Subtle Sociology. Let's try to understand the concept of status and role. Status and role are fundamental concepts of sociology. They help us in understanding social interactions and the dynamics within a society. Let's explore them in an interesting way. We'll start with status. Think of status as a social position or a label that people hold in society. Imagine a game of chess where each chess piece represents a different status. For example, the king, queen, rooks, knights, and pawns all have distinct roles and positions on the chessboard. It's like a character in a video game having a specific level or rank. Imagine a game where players can be assigned different statuses such as beginners, intermediate, or expert. Each status represents a particular level of skill and experience. Similarly, in society, individuals occupy different statuses such as student, parent, teacher, doctor, engineer, or manager. Each status comes with expectations, rights, and responsibilities. Now, friends, status is of two types: ascribed and achieved. Let's see what is achieved status first. Imagine a video game where players earn different levels or ranks based on their skills and accomplishments. In society, achieved status is similar. It's a position that individuals acquire through their efforts, abilities, capabilities, and accomplishments. For example, a doctor, a teacher, an engineer, an athlete attains their status through education, training, or personal achievements. Now let's see what is ascribed status. Imagine a game where players are randomly assigned a specific role or rank without any choice or effort on their part. In society, ascribed status is similar. It's a position that individuals are born into or assigned based on characteristics like gender, race, or family background. For instance, being born in a wealthy family or belonging to a particular ethnic group bestows an ascribed status. Now let's talk about role. Role is the set of behaviors, expectations, and obligations associated with a particular status. If status is the badge you wear, roles are the script or set of expectations that come with that badge. Imagine a script for a character that outlines what they should say and do. This script represents their role. Now let's see the types of roles. And the first type is prescribed roles. And prescribed roles are the expected behaviors and obligations that come with a particular status. It's like following the script as it is written. For example, a doctor has a prescribed role that includes diagnosing patients, prescribing treatments, and providing medical care. Next type of role is role expectations. Role expectations are the societal or group expectations of how a person in a particular status should behave. It's like the audience expectation of how a character in a movie or drama should act. For instance, people may expect a parent to be nurturing and responsible, or a teacher to be knowledgeable and supportive. The next aspect associated with role is role performance. Now, role performance refers to how well an individual carries out their role. It's like how convincingly an actor portrays their character in a movie or a drama. For example, a doctor's role performance includes providing competent medical care and establishing a professional relationship with the patient. Role performance can vary from person to person, and it can be influenced by factors like culture, socialization, and personal traits. Another important concept associated with role is role conflict. Sometimes individuals may experience role conflict when the expectations of different roles clash or are difficult to fulfill. It's like when a character in a game is torn between two conflicting missions. Imagine juggling multiple balls at once, each representing a different role, and it can be challenging to meet the expectations of each role simultaneously. For instance, a person who is both parent and an employee may experience conflict between their roles as a caregiver and their role as a professional. Next interesting concept associated with role is role strain. Role strain occurs when individuals face competing demands or expectation within a single role. It's like pulling a rubber band to its limit without breaking it. For instance, a teacher may experience role strain when balancing the need to maintain discipline while fostering a supportive learning environment. Similarly, a manager may experience role strain when trying to balance the demands of supervising employees, meeting deadlines, and addressing conflicts within the organization. So, dear friends, it's important to note that individuals can hold multiple statuses and have corresponding roles. For instance, someone can be a student, a sibling, and a team captain, each with its own set of expectations and behaviors. These different statuses and roles may intersect and influence one another, shaping the individual's experiences and interactions. Additionally, status and role are not fixed or static. They can change over time or in different social contexts. For example, in a person's transition from being a student to becoming a teacher, he acquires a new status and role in this process. Finally, to conclude, understanding status and role helps us analyze how individuals fit into the social structure and how they are expected to behave and how their behaviors influence and are influenced by society. It allows us to explore topics such as social interaction, socialization, and social identity. It also helps us understand how individuals are positioned within society and the expectations and behaviors that comes with those positions. Remember friends, sociology is about exploring the complexity of human interactions, and understanding status and role is key to that exploration.